everybody, thanks for joining me today. Welcome to my channel. Today I have, I've sort of been missing in action here. I have a lot of stuff I've been working on and I just haven't been able to film and edit. And so I'm trying to pop on here and do this. Today I'm going to start like a mini Anna Griffin series with some dies that I have purchased. The ones that I've been able to get a hold of, and one was the castle die, and these make easel dies, which, you know, I make easel cards, but these are the nice shaped ones, and they're super simple to put together and you can customize them in all sorts of ways. So I love castles, so I had to get the castle one. But let me show you that up close. Just super fun. You can do inking through the dies, and then it just kind of sits up like that. Right, so that's that one. Then I've got the gingerbread house one. That one's cute. So I did this in some tonic textured paper, and that sits up like this. This is from Honeybee Stamps, I think. This gingerbread girl. And you put your sentiment there. I've used some of the nice tonic papers. Let me show you up close there. That sort of textured paper. And then it's just fun piecing everything together. And then the third one I have is this church die, which I'll go ahead and put together one of these for you today. I've die cut everything out just to save time, but it makes this beautiful church here, and it gives you all the little medieval windows. I love that, and all sorts of things. So here you get this nice magnetic sheet, and in this sort of inspiration page here, and the directions how to. So I like those elements about that. So I'm going to put that one together today. And sort of this seafoamy green color here. And I guess we'll start with the base. So you do need, this does extend beyond 8.5 by 11. So let me zoom out just a tad bit here. My messy desk, I'm working on some really pretty pretty stuff, but this is, it stretches way out, can't even fit it in the screen, but so I used a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. So you just fold it on the score line, and then you fold it again like that, and then you put adhesive on here. Also, it comes with these mats, so you're able to do the solid piece. And if you don't have pattern paper, which I don't right now, you could do this out of pattern paper and then just skip this step. But because I had plain paper, I wanted to add some extra element. This is a Nina sort of shimmer paper, I believe. I've had it a while, and I thought it just goes perfectly with that seafoamy green. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that down. Okay. I also die cut, which I'll put on in a little bit. There's a new doily. Wishing you the best. You just put whatever stamps fit in there. And I thought that was a good sentiment, because this could be for a wedding. This could be for just whatever, another church member maybe, or bridal shower, baby shower, even whatever, anniversary, all sorts of things this could be for. So I put this, it's sort of generic, and yet it still says something nice. So that's going to be my stopper for when this stands up, and I'm going to put that on foam. So put that aside for a minute. Now it's just a matter of assembling all of our parts. Solid embossable piece you get here. You could take the die and put it over there and do like I did with the castle and get kind of some stonework there. But for today, I'm just going to go ahead and do this. It's so pretty. It doesn't take much, you know, you don't have to do much to it to make it be a showpiece here. Give that a second to dry. You can make so many different colors. It's really about your paper choices, changing it up. Alright, and then I'm just going to glue. So some of these I did in that gold Nina shimmer cardstock, and some I did in a light purple. I think this is a Stampin' Up! Color here. So it's just a matter of gluing stuff down. You could pop these pieces up on foam tape to give them more dimension. You could also put another little circle, like I have two here, but you could put a third circle up there if you wanted. Really go to town. You could put flowers like I did with the castle. I put some wool flowers on there. This is the door, and it actually does open a little. That's cute. I did my bell out of just some, I think it's some tonic shimmer paper. It's hard to see there up on camera, but just because bells are metal, shiny sometimes, unless they're really old. By the way, if you like these sorts of videos, go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and that will keep you in the loop for when I post. I do have, definitely over 400 videos. I'm trying to think if I hit my 500. I think I've got 500 videos on my channel, so go ahead and have a look around there. Tips and tricks, some cooking ones. I love to cook. You can check out my shop at Etsy. It's under CLM Emporium. I am an artist, so there are my own original watercolors and things like that in terms of that I've made into some beautiful digital paper that I love to use. Here's an example of one sitting over here making some junk journal stuff there that's coming down the pike. Here's some more. This isn't published yet, but all sorts of goodies. It's an emporium. That's why I named it that. Okay. Well, somebody else had my name, so that didn't help. Okay, so here is our card front. Now again, you could even go further with this. You could put flowers, ivy around here. You could use a glitter pen, depending on what colors you've used. You can do all sorts of things. You can distress it, make it really old looking. But it's as simple as that. So you take your card base like this, and I've got my bit here, and I'm going to go ahead and bend. So we fold down and then we bend this back. And then we put adhesive. You could use double-sided tape. I already have this out, so it's a good strong glue. And then you want to just be sure to line up these corners, really, which would help if I had that in the... Let's line up, making sure to line up these corners. That's pretty important. So we're going to go ahead and start there. And then when you push it down, it'll be all lined up. Make sure that I've got it, okay? And then make sure it's straight. I love an easel card. I don't know. It makes you feel like you're doing something complicated, and yet it's so easy. Card all attached. Let me show you from the side. So it just has that little bit on the back. So, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and pop this up on foam. Now you could make it go down here if you had something skinnier. You can make it go back here if you want more room to embellish. So it's flexible that way. So I'm going to put some foam adhesive on there. This fits in a 5x7 envelope, I believe. So, alright, so I'm going to kind of put it where I want it. There. And then see, it stops it. Isn't that fun? So much fun. Simplicity of that could really be for a couple, or a guy or a girl for that matter. It's not overly feminine. So, anyway, that's fun. So hopefully you like that castle and the gingerbread house. So I'll be doing videos on these. I also have the purse die, which I don't have down here. I have it upstairs where I take photos, but I have the purse die, and I have some other tips and tricks going down for videos. I also have some cooking videos, some freezer cooking videos coming. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Thanks so much for joining me today. Have a great day.